What is Q? Q provides a governance backbone for the Web3 world, allowing you to build intergalactic organizations that go beyond code as law. Technically, the Q protocol comprises an EVM-compatible proof-of-stake blockchain and a set of smart contracts. But this simple technical description does not do the protocol justice. Beyond the code, Q is based on a novel concept of how we can transact in the decentralized world, combining the benefits of a public, open and decentralized ledger with the transparency of enforceable private contracts. In Q, you can finally build without borders, leaving behind the limitations of existing technology. How does Q work? The Q protocol is based on 3 pillars. The Constitution lays down the rules of the system. The system's architecture, both on-chain and off-chain, ensures that these rules can actually be enforced, and a dispute resolution mechanism is in place to resolve conflicts if and when they occur, and they always do. All of this is built on the basis of a Layer 1 blockchain which is fully EVM compatible, making Q a part of the broader Ethereum ecosystem. What are the main elements of the Q protocol? The Q protocol has been carefully designed with a set of checks and balances to support the most sophisticated governance frameworks. These apply to the Q protocol itself, but can also be leveraged by projects building in Q. Follow us for more information.